Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B2086 indicates a malfunction in the right power sliding door full latch switch circuit. This issue typically manifests in the Honda Odyssey models produced between 2011 and 2017. The right power sliding door full latch switch plays a crucial role in the door mechanism, allowing for the secure closing and opening of the sliding door. When this switch circuit experiences a short, it can obstruct normal door operations and trigger warning indicators. Using diagnostic equipment, technicians can identify the fault and implement necessary repairs. Accurate diagnosis is critical for ensuring the safety and functionality of the sliding door system. The issue concerns the right power sliding door full latch switch, which is vital for the sliding door's operation. This switch is located within the body harness of the right sliding door. It serves to signal whether the door is fully closed or in any other position. When the latch does not activate correctly, it may result in a circuit short, prompting the DTC B2086 error code. This error code indicates a malfunction in the communication or function of the latch switch, which can lead to improper functioning of the sliding door. Understanding its location and role helps in isolating the problem during diagnosis. Several factors can lead to the DTC B2086 code. A short circuit in the wiring may occur due to damage, exposure to moisture, or wear over time. Additionally, the full latch switch itself may become defective, preventing proper communication with the vehicle's control unit. Poor connections at the control unit can also cause this code to appear, as bad connections can disrupt the flow of information necessary for door operation. Identifying the true cause is essential for effective repair, as ignoring a simple wiring issue could lead to more complex failures. Taking the time to methodically assess each potential cause can save time during repairs. Drivers may encounter various symptoms associated with the DTC B2086 error code. One of the most noticeable issues is that the right sliding door may fail to open or close properly when prompted. This leads to frustration and safety concerns, as passengers might be unable to use the door as intended. Additionally, an error message may appear on the vehicle's display, signaling the issue to the driver. Symptoms may also include intermittent door function, where the door operates erratically, contributing to uncertainty about its reliability. Recognizing these symptoms early on is critical for addressing the problem promptly and ensuring the vehicle's safety. The first troubleshooting step for addressing DTC B2086 is to clear the DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System, or HDS. This system is essential for diagnosing various electronic faults within Honda vehicles, as it allows technicians to communicate directly with the vehicle's onboard computer. By clearing the fault codes, you can reset the system, which is crucial for identifying if the error was a one-time occurrence or a consistent problem. After clearing, it's important to proceed with additional steps to ascertain whether the issue reappears. This process helps exclude intermittent failures that may not require extensive repairs. Always ensure that you have the latest software updates for the HDS to enhance diagnostic accuracy. In the second step, after clearing the DTCs, turn the ignition switch to the lock position and then back to the on position too. This action helps in ensuring that all electrical systems are reinitialized, allowing the control units to reset. The transition from lock to on is vital for preparing the vehicle's electronics for the next diagnostic steps. It ensures that the control units involved with the power sliding door are in the correct mode for operation. This step is often performed to eliminate any temporary faults that could confuse the diagnostic process. Following the proper ignition sequence is essential for accurate troubleshooting. The third step in troubleshooting DTC B2086 involves turning the power sliding door main switch to the on position. This activation is crucial as it enables the power sliding door system to function. By turning the switch on, you facilitate the communication between the control unit and the mechanics of the sliding door. Ensuring that the switch is engaged sets up the system for further operation and testing, effectively preparing it for diagnostic evaluation. This step is essential in confirming whether the door's mechanisms respond correctly when prompted. Failure to have the switch on can lead to misleading diagnostic results. In this fourth step, it is important to close the right power sliding door completely. Closing the door is essential for the system to detect the door's position accurately. Once closed, this allows the power sliding door components to reset and ensures that diagnostics can be performed under normal operating conditions. The state of the door directly affects the functionality of the latch switch and other related components. Notably, this step is crucial for assessing whether the sliding door system can identify that the door is securely closed. Properly executing this step allows technicians to move on to the next phase of testing. The fifth step involves opening the right power sliding door using the power sliding door switch. This step tests the functionality of the switch and the motor mechanism that operates the door. Observing the seamless operation of the door as it opens provides valuable feedback on the system's health. A successful operation indicates that the control unit and associated wiring are likely functioning correctly. However, if the door fails to open as expected, it could pinpoint a malfunction in the switch circuit or the latch unit. This operational test is vital for understanding how each system component interacts. Step 6 requires checking for the DTCs again using the Honda Diagnostic system. This repeated evaluation helps to ascertain if the B2086 code has returned after performing previous steps. If the code is still present, it suggests an ongoing issue that must be addressed. On the other hand, the absence of the code could indicate that the system has resolved its intermittent failure. It is essential to note that if the DTC reappears, further diagnosis is warranted to locate the specific failure point within the circuit or components. Continually checking the DTCs is a critical part of effective troubleshooting. In this seventh step, you will select the power sliding door function from the HDS and navigate to view the data list. This function is helpful for monitoring real-time data from the sliding door system and allows technicians to analyze how the system is functioning. The data list provides valuable information regarding the state of various components, including the right power sliding door full latch switch. Observing this data can aid in verifying whether the components operate within the expected parameters. Accessing this information is crucial for pinpointing the specific issue causing the B2086 code to appear. Properly interpreting the data collected can lead to more informed decision-making regarding repairs. The eighth troubleshooting step involves checking the on-off status of the right power slide door full latch switch as indicated in the data list. This check is vital for determining if the latch switch is functioning correctly. If the information indicator shows off when the door is closed, it implies a fault in the latch mechanism. In this case, the right power sliding door control unit will need to be replaced, as it cannot communicate the latch status effectively. Conversely, if the indicator does not read off, further investigation will be required. This analysis is crucial for isolating the issue within the door's operational system. In this step, You will turn the ignition switch to the lock position before disconnecting the right power sliding door rear latch connector B. This disconnection is critical because it isolates the latch from the control unit, allowing for individual testing. After ensuring that the ignition is in the lock position, it prevents any electrical shorts during the process. This precaution is vital for technician safety as well as vehicle integrity. Disconnecting the latch also lets you analyze whether the switch and wiring are functioning properly without interference from the control unit. Proper disconnection is essential to prevent damage to electronic components. Next, you will switch the ignition back to the on position while ensuring that the right power sliding door rear latch connector B remains disconnected. This setup allows you to check the on-off status of the right power slide door full latch switch again. If the information indicator remains off during this check, it signifies that the latch switch is faulty, and replacing the right power sliding door rear latch will be necessary. This step effectively verifies whether the previous component was the source of the error code. If the indication changes, it triggers the next step in the troubleshooting process. Performing this check can streamline the repair work significantly. Step 11 requires turning the ignition switch back to the lock position again, followed by disconnecting the right power sliding door control unit connector A. This action separates the control unit from the system for standalone testing. Ensuring that the ignition is in the lock position protects against electrical shorts during this step. By focusing specifically on the control unit, you can better isolate which component is responsible for the malfunction. Disconnecting this unit can also help identify if wiring between the control unit and other components is creating the fault. This step refines the diagnosis further by examining the control unit independently. During this step, you will examine continuity between the right power sliding door control unit, connector A terminal number 5, and body ground. Continuity checks are crucial for ensuring that the wiring is intact and capable of carrying signals. If continuity is found, this indicates that the wiring to the control unit is functioning correctly. Conversely, if no continuity exists, this points to a potential wiring fault, which would need to be repaired. Verifying the integrity of connections is a foundational part of troubleshooting electrical issues, as broken or corroded connections can lead to numerous errors in vehicle systems. This step helps identify whether the wiring is the core issue contributing to DTC B2086. After implementing necessary repairs, it is vital to conduct a final verification process to confirm the success of the service. Testing all sliding door functions ensures that every aspect of the system operates as intended without any faults. Additionally, it is crucial to check that the DTC B2086 is cleared from the system, indicating that the initial problem has been resolved. Running the vehicle through its door operations repetitively may give reassurance of the repairs made. This thorough examination solidifies the technician's confidence in the repair, ensuring the vehicle remains safe and functional for users. Final verification also protects against future system malfunctions. Preventive maintenance is essential in ensuring the continued functionality of the power sliding doors. Regularly checking door components, including the latch switches and electric motors, can catch issues before they evolve into more complex problems. Additionally, regular inspections of the wiring for signs of wear, corrosion, or damage play a critical role in maintaining the system's integrity. Implementing these preventive measures can diminish the chances of encountering DTC B2086 in the future. By establishing a routine review of these elements, vehicle owners can enhance the durability of their power sliding doors and prevent unexpected failures. Being proactive can save money and improve overall safety. In summary, Understanding the complexities of the right power sliding door's electrical systems is crucial for effective repair and maintenance. Following the outlined diagnostic procedure systematically allows for accurate identification and resolution of issues related to DTC B2086. Each step, from diagnostics to final verification, contributes to the vehicle's overall performance and safety. Moreover, adhering to preventive maintenance helps in avoiding potential faults in the sliding door mechanism. By focusing on these aspects, both technicians and vehicle owners can ensure longevity and reliability in their Honda Odyssey models. Making informed decisions regarding repairs and maintenance is essential for every Honda owner. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.